Teachers today have to work harder than ever before while preparing for classes. There is far more information available, the students are more exposed and informed, and therefore the teachers have to keep up by constantly updating their lessons. Once that is done, they have another challenge before them, that of keeping the students engaged and involved in the lesson. Teachers may do their best, but there are many key questions that this old chalk and board method of teaching throws up. Firstly, is this method relevant and effective in today's education environment? Does this time-consuming, tedious and non-interactive system aid better learning and concentration? Does it motivate the students and the teachers? Does it help in interactive learning? Various research studies indicate that the answer to the above questions is a definite no. The good news is that there is a simple and easily available new method of knowledge and information dissemination that can revolutionize education. This is the Interactive Classroom Solution by Globus Infocom. An interactive classroom is a versatile classroom tool which can be highly motivating owing to its interactivity, enabling a wide range of concepts and resources to be efficiently and effectively introduced. The Globus Interactive Classroom Solution is easy to incorporate into any existing classroom infrastructure and has several modular components that can be added to enhance the interactive learning experience. The first key component is an interactive whiteboard that replaces the traditional blackboard. A projector is used with this whiteboard and the board responds to a pen that functions as a stylus. An interactive pad is available and can be used to operate different functions on the whiteboard. The whiteboard can also be accessed through the computer connected to it. This provides a way to show students anything that can be presented on a computer desktop. Another indispensable addition to this setup is the visualizer that captures and stores information. A touch-sensitive interactive panel gives the teacher the same options available on the toolbar of the whiteboard. She can sit at her desk and continue to make notes and annotations that the students can refer to whenever they please. The personal response system completes the interactive classroom solution as it helps the teacher to correctly evaluate and assess students. The resources offered by this system are countless and make the class fun while improving the concentration of the students.